Which class is this?
Grade 6.
Which year?
2024.
Which school?
Tom and Jerry.
Yes. Which project is this?
Agriculture project.
Agriculture project. There also you can put them inside. Yes. Good. Is part of those crops that have tiny seeds. According to the curriculum design, the CBC, we learn crops that have tiny seeds in grade 4. So these are grade 6 that we have just carried out the practical part of growing tiny seeds. And we chose carrots because of various factors. The carrots take approximately between 3 months to 4 months for them to mature. So that it can have fine peel. Fine peel means soil particles becoming like this one. This soil has big particles. So if you want to make it fine, you break the particles using these tools. Like these a fork jembe. If you look at the color, it is reddish. So this type of soil is called volcanic soil. Volcanic soil, red in color. But now, in the design or curriculum design for grade 4, 5, and 6, you don't learn volcanic soil, you learn loam soil. Now, within this soil, it is mixed with humus. Humus are dead animals and plants. They are plants that have decayed. They are the ones that make up humus. So it is mixed with the humus. That's why it is good for growing crop. You can dig. Then after you have that, you hit using the sides of the fork jembe. You can see the texture is changing. The particles are changing. They are becoming small. Then after you have prepared the farm well, and you see that now the tilth is fine, you make drills. Drills are small lines. We mixed the soil with together with the manure to increase the soil fertility, to make the soil have nutrients, so that the nutrients can be used by the crops. That's how. Look at the two colors. Are they the same? No. So this one, it is before it matures, it is this color. After it has matured, it changes to this color. Which color is this? Orange. Then, how will you know? Will you see the color while it is in the soil? No. But when it has matured, you will see this part coming out of the soil, above the soil. That's why it is coming up on the ground. And that's how we ended up identifying whether our carrots were mature or not. And we have decided to harvest at the right time so that we avoid wastage, so that they don't rot in the soil, so that some of them don't get destroyed. Harvesting becomes the last stage when growing any crop. As we were growing these carrots, we have some of the challenges or problems that we encountered. One is about rainfall. So we did not have that continuous rainfall. That meant that we were supposed to ensure that the crop gets water by using irrigation. And we used watering can to irrigate our crop. Another one is the pests. We have some small pests, aphids. While they were growing, the aphids started interfering with the leaves. There we sprayed using pesticides. So the pesticides helps us to control the aphids from interfering with our carrots. That is the main challenge. Those are the two main challenges that we had. Any question? Yes. Within these ones, we did not have a disease that affected it, but we normally have some diseases that affect carrots. A disease like blight. Blight is the one that will make the color of the carrots, the leaves of the carrots, they will start changing the color from dark green. They will change even to yellow when they are still growing before maturing. That is blight, but we did not encounter that within it. Yes. As I said, volcanic soil has humus, so it is good for growing crops. The reason why it is called volcanic is because it is found within highlands. That's why it is called volcanic soil. Yes. Now the question is, this leaf edible? That one we answer it no to human beings, because these are carrots, and with the carrots we said we eat which part? The roots. So we are basically interested with the roots. But if you have the rabbits can feed on these leaves. Okay? Yes.
The way Chen said, can the carrots be infected like this one? Is it already being infected?
No, this one it is like this because it was mature. So you see, when crops mature, the leaves tend to start drying, just like maize. When they are matured, you see the leaves drying. Same to other crops. The snails do not affect these crops. The snails do not affect the carrots. They do not. Those are just crops. Those are just the snails do not feed on the leaves. Neither do they feed on the roots. So they do not affect the crops. These carrots. And that is it.